like you're testing how it feels.
I chase the steam, wish I'd memorized this moment. Every quiet breath says more than what we spill.
We almost said it out loud, hearts leaning over the sound of the rain on the window, of the clock ticking slow. We almost let it all fall right there in your tiny hall. But we smiled and we shook it off somehow.
Hi friends, and welcome back to another interesting video. So in today's video I'm going to be preparing dinner for my family, and I would love to take you along as I do everything. If this is your first time on this platform, welcome. My name is Karunji Josephine, and this is our family channel where we share a lot about life, so you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you too for always coming back to watch our videos. So today we are going to be having fish. Some of you have been asking whether we actually do eat fish because you've not seen me cooking it here. Well, we do eat it, and today I'm going to be making fish. As you can see, this is smoked fish actually, and yeah, we loved it. So I would love to take you along as I prepare the whole meal, the whole dinner. So what I'm doing at the moment, I am chopping the fish into small pieces, and then later I'm going to be removing those bones that you are seeing. So yeah, come along, let me take you through as I do everything.
I finally crossed that tiny line we drew.
If I speak first, will you meet me in the middle?
If you say stay, I swear I'll say it too.
So the reason why I am deciding to remove the bones is because I have little children and I have to be very careful with them, because we don't want to have issues of Simanya, the bone choked me, you know. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing at the moment. Also, I think I learned this from my mom. Whenever she cooked fish at home, like, she got all the bones out, so it was so easy for us to eat fish at home. Like, she would serve the fish and all you feel is the softness. So I'm passing this on. Yeah, serving fish when the bones are all out, actually it helps those who are eating, that they don't have to take all that much time actually removing bones. But I think also avoiding accidents of the bones choking little children, especially those that don't know how to remove the bones. So it's what I'm doing, and these right here are the ones that I have removed. Yeah, so we are going to be having matoke with our fish. I think matoke is now a delicacy in our home. We love matoke with almost everything. Like, we would eat it with nuts, with almost all the other sauces, and it's because my husband loves it so much, and he definitely chose matoke rather than any other starch. So we are going to be having it with some sweet potatoes as well, as you are seeing me. So let's peel our matoke and our sweet potatoes as we are chopping the ingredients that we shall be using to cook our fish. So yeah.
Trace maps on the window while the highway hums along. Half-laughed plans for tomorrow fade into your favorite song. You say we always talking, maybe I say I'm just scared to lose. Your eyes catch mine in the rear view like they're pulling me through. Under this backseat moon, I finally tell the truth. Almost every Sunday leads me right back to you. If this night ends too soon, I still want it with you. Turn the volume down, let the words come out under this backseat moon. kicked on the floor mat, cold fries on the dashboard. We get deep, then we laugh it off like we didn't open every door. You say, why do we keep drifting? I say, I'm afraid of change, but my hand finds yours between us, and it all rearranged. Under this backseat moon, I finally tell the truth. Almost every someday leads me right back to you. If this night ends too soon, I still want it with you. Turn the volume down, let the words come out. Under this backseat moon. What if this is the moment we stop running? Every red light, every side road led us to this space. Oh, so I breathe once and I say it. Simple, quiet, clear. I love you, hanging in the air.
So now that I'm done with peeling, we are going to be steaming our food in banana leaves. So if you've been here, you've seen me do this several times, but well, let's do it again. We are creating base. That is what you are seeing me doing at the moment. And then we put our banana leaf on top of that base we have created down. And this is where we are going to be putting our food. So yeah, after peeling the matoke, I washed it, and the sweet potatoes as well. I washed them and then put them here.
You're humming in the kitchen, bare feet on the cold tile floor. You say the coffee tastes too bitter, but you're sipping like you want more.
You laugh at all my worst jokes, flip through the same old shows. You say you're scared of changing, but you're braver than you know. We're not perfect, but we're close enough to fly. Hands a little shaky, heart's a little high. You lean into my shoulder, I forget the reasons why I ever thought I'd do this life alone. We're close enough to fly.
Then after covering up everything, don't forget to add water in your food. So yeah, meanwhile, I am also done with chopping the other spices that we are going to be using to cook the fish. I have blended the tomatoes and then chopped the onions, the carrots, and the green pepper. So this is the saucepan we are going to be using. So I'm using cooking oil. You can use any that you want, maybe butter, yeah, whatever of your choice. And then let's cook our fish as well.
Reasons why I ever thought I'd do this life alone. We're close enough to fly.
Stripped down guitar, almost up a club.
If all we have is this old couch and the sun sneaking through the blind,
I'd still choose every doubt just to feel your hand in mine.
we don't need some bigger promise, just these quiet, honest tries.
We're not perfect, but we're close enough to fly. Hands a little shaky, heart's a little high. You lean into my shoulder, I forget the reasons why I ever thought I'd do this life alone. I ever thought I'd do this life alone. We're not perfect, but we're close enough to try. Close enough to stumble, close enough to rise. You lean into my shoulder and the ground falls out of sight. I never wanna walk this world alone. We're close enough to fly.
So this is the point where I am adding in the water. The other extra spices you've seen me using, it's black pepper and roiko, and that is it. So we are going to be adding in some water, and then we cover everything so that it cooks. Meanwhile, our food is also ready, the matoke and the sweet potatoes. So let's check on what we were cooking and see how it turned out. Also, if you are not strong enough, you might not manage, because this is super hot. You can see how I was struggling to hold the banana leaves, and so this is how our food is looking like. Oh my god, everything got ready very well. The sweet potatoes are ready and our matoke is ready. So we are going to be smashing the matoke. In Luganda we call this okunyiga emmere. If you're Ugandan, I know you can relate, so we are going to be doing that. Let's remove our sweet potatoes real quick before our matoke gets cold, because we have to make sure that we smash it while it is still hot, and the smashing is what I'm doing at the moment. So after the smashing, we cover it up again and then put it back on fire for it to slow cook. Yeah, we call that okubobeza emmere in Luganda. For my people who don't know what that means, that is slow cooking. And meanwhile, our fish is also ready. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Oh, the aroma in the kitchen is just so amazing, so awesome. So after slow cooking it for a few minutes, this is the matoke and this is how it's looking like. It's time for me to serve, and this is how our food looks like. So it's time for us to serve, and this was mine and for hubby. Yeah, the food tasted amazing. I feel like the camera is not even giving it enough justice. It tasted so nice, looked really nice. The matoke came out all so well. And yeah, I hope you can try this as well. If you haven't, or if it is something that you'd love to try out, kindly let me know when you try out in the comment section. I'll be so glad to hear that. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. It's always a pleasure to take you along on such experiences. And so from me to you is a bye-bye. See you all in the next video. If there is anything that you would like to know or something that triggered you, kindly share it in the comment section. I'll be so glad to reply to you. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.
This is the moment we stop running in place. Every